Today I got a different experiment. I got my nail gun here, which is a stapler tool. It's an air operated, of course. I bought this one for 10 euros in my local scrap meet. This is a small one, not the big one. I think you have all the dimensions here that you need. I am not a max 7 bar. I think I'm operating this on much more bars, but today experiment a little bit stupid. There's no point in it, but I went and I designed 3D printed staplers. What's the point? There's no point really of making something like that. I just wanted to see what will happen. And of course, you know, I have here, I think I have the metal ones here. I mean, you cannot compare metal to plastic, right? There are stronger filaments that you could, you could make something from them. And if you have a stronger filament, again, things like that come very handy when you're doing dioramas, or you're doing like cosplay, or you're working with foam. Things like that can be very useful for foam, like my cutting disc that I 3D printed, like my sanding disc that I 3D printed, and probably the staplers too will be good for foam, because it's soft, you ain't gonna destroy the foam, and in case you want to take it apart, you're just gonna break them. But again, I don't know. So again, this is the metal ones. They are in one piece. I could not print this one in one piece like that, because I could not separate them. I did try, but I could not separate them. So the way I'm gonna load them is pretty simple. Because that's why I didn't want to use the nails, because the nails I will have a problem putting in. So basically I'm gonna just slide them in. Wait, let me slide another one. I'm gonna just, and again, don't do this at home. I take my own risk, I take my own responsibility for it. And of course, the plastic, I don't think so anything will happen. I'm loading them one by one just because I cannot load them as pairs. Easy design. And I may include them if anyone wants. If anyone wants them, just let me know in the comments, and I will upload them to Tanks, so whoever wants it can download them. I'll just make sure that they go all the way. Make sure they go all the way. I will leave the rest for a moment. We're gonna try this one. I don't want to jam it too. We put the rear one for backing, as you can see them there. They're all there. I mean, I believe you guess what will happen. They probably will become dust. Now they went in. And we're gonna power our gun. And first I'm gonna show you what happens. And I have my compressor at full blast. I'm gonna go and lower it. I'm gonna show you first on a piece of paper. This is what happens. And I should wear my glasses because this went away everywhere. This is what happened. I mean, it went. How deep it went? I mean, it went few. I did not expect that. It went few. Let's try another one. But I'm gonna use my safety glasses. I don't want it to go to my... But I'm gonna do one page only. So, one page. I'm gonna hold the... It just went flying. As you can see. Let's try. I got some cardboard here, a little bit tougher material. Let's see with this one. Safety glasses. Wait. No, I'm not putting my finger behind. Again, it turns into pieces. As you can see, this is the piece left. Basically, it doesn't turn the... how to explain this one? The whole body goes through, right? The whole body goes through, but when it meets the head here, that's where it breaks. So, what else can we try? I mean, of course, here on the plastic, you can see it here. This is what's left. I have another experiment. I got a can of Monster. I will go backwards and I will try to shoot it. I will hold the safety back and I will try to shoot it. And no, it's not the air. Wait, let me make sure that I'm not shooting the... Let me make sure. No, I have to put more because I'll be shooting the metal ones. Yep, nope. I have to put a little bit more because otherwise I will be shooting with the metal ones. This tool is quite dangerous. If you don't know what you're doing, better not to use a tool like that. Not that I know what I'm doing, but I will give you a better view. I unstuck my stapler, nail gun, we try it again. We try it again. Hopefully this time it will go. I don't know if you heard it. I think this is the damage it did. I'm gonna do it into a side that I know that it's clean. I have one more stapler. So here is the can. The only thing it did is this indentation here. I don't know if you can see here. And basically just because it exploded when it hit it, that's why. So I will show you one more time on paper and we're gonna conclude our experiment. So here we got paper. We're gonna do 2 of them. I have 2 of them loaded. Safety glasses always. As you can see, this is our stapler and there are pieces here. We're gonna do one more. This one got jumped for a moment, but it managed to go out. As you can see here, it just destroys them, explodes them basically. I mean, it does staple them in one way, right? It did staple some pages, but not much. This is the piece, nothing left. This is the other piece. So, and this is how they come from printer. So, of course, again, don't do it at home. I take my own responsibility for it. Can you 3D print staplers or nails? Yes, you can. Can you use them? Not necessarily for wood. Maybe for the foam. Maybe if it will not explode when it comes from the gun, from the hammer. But bear in mind that my compressor is set at full, I think 8 bars, and the gun's supposed to shoot at 7. But again, you can 3D print them, you just cannot use them practically. And don't do that at home. Again, don't do it at home. I take my own risk and I use safety equipment always. If you have any idea for the next experiment, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, subscribe, like and share, and I hope I will see you in the next one.